If you want to increase your impact and revenue as a creator, your next step would be to launch a high-end coaching program. These are programs with specific topics and methods spread out over a few months. So let's go ahead and walk through the 4 steps necessary to design a high-end coaching service that your audience will love. I'm Angel Marie, the creator educator over at ConvertKit. Let's get started. Step 1, hone in on your outcome. Now, what sets a high-end coaching service apart from an entry-level program? The outcome. The greater the impact you can have on someone else's life, the easier it will be to sell your coaching service and the more you can charge for it too. See this idea in action on creator Patrice Washington's coaching site, where she offers 2 different coaching programs to cater to the varying needs of her audience. Step number 2, choose a format. Now, this includes things like how many people are in your coaching program, how often you accept new students, and how you'll be delivering coaching content. You're also going to want to pinpoint if you want to offer private, one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or a cohort program that opens at set intervals, just like creator Kristen Kalp did with her very own coaching program. Step 3. Consider adding recurring payments. Rather than offering your coaching service as a large lump sum, you could set it up as a monthly subscription. You'll be able to easily do this in ConvertKit Commerce with just a couple of clicks. More details on that later on. Step 4. Check out competitors. Find out which people in your niche are offering programs, the kind of transformations they're giving, and how you can provide a unique experience. Doing this research can help set you apart from the rest of the coaching services out there and help you get a better feel on what makes you different. Now that we understand those 4 necessary steps, let's quickly walk through how you can set up recurring payments for your coaching service right in ConvertKit. The first step you're going to take is to head into the product tab right at the top. Then you'll click on New Product. From there, you'll give your coaching service a name, and then you'll give it a pricing method. Now, to set up recurring payments, choose a subscription option, the frequency of recurring payments, either monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and then how much you're charging within that frequency. From here, click Next, and then clarify what exactly it is that you're selling. In this case, we'll choose the Something Else option since we're launching our very own coaching service. Then from here, click Next and give your coaching service product page a customized link so you can easily share it with others. Then click Create Product. It will then redirect you to where you can edit and customize your product page with a title, with a high converting subtitle, an image that matches the messaging of your coaching service, and you can even customize any coloring and text on the product page too. You can also add additional context, including the ability to add more components to your page by utilizing the content block here. Next, you'll want to customize the checkout page, the confirmation page, and the email receipt that your buyers will receive from you the minute they purchase your coaching services. Now, when you're ready to begin sharing your coaching services with the world, just click Save, Publish, then copy and paste this link to share it with potential clients. And that's it, my friend. In just a few minutes, you can have a coaching service product page with recurring payments set up and ready to go for your students. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, head to the link down below to try it for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.